Evolution. The modern theory concerning the evolution of man proposes that humans and apes derive from an ape-like ancestor that lived on Earth a few million years ago.
The Eupethecus, an ape-like animal that first appeared 25 million years ago. Ramapithecus, another ape-like animal, appeared 12 to 14 million ago, some believed to be ancestor of the Asian orangutan, while others see a relationship to other apes to human. Australopithecus is an extinct genus or hominus from paleontological evidence apparently evolved in eastern Africa around 4 million years ago before spreading throughout the continent and eventually becoming extinct somewhat after 2 million years. Homo erectus, early African Homo erectus, fossils sometimes called Homo ergaster, are the oldest known early humans to have possessed modern human-like body proportions with relatively elongated legs and shorter arms compared to the size of the torso and 1.9 million years ago. Neanderthal, a species or subspecies of human in the genus Homo which became extinct around 40,000 years ago. They were closely related to modern humans. Neanderthals are generally classified by paleontologists are the species Homo sapiens and Homo neanderthalensis. Modern human, a branch of the tribe Hominini belonging to the family of great apes. They are characterized by erect posture and bipedal locomotion, manual dexterity and increased tool use, and a general trend toward larger, more complex brains and societies. Rhea, there are two extant species, the Greater American and Rhea american and the lesser or Darwin's Rhea pennata. Both are currently rated as near threatened and their native ranges of feral population of the Greater Rhea in Germany appears to be growing. Ostrich. Common ostrich Stratio camelis is either one or two species of large flightless bird native to Africa, the only living member of the genus Stratio, which is in the ratate family. Starting in 2014, the Somalis ostrich is now considered a full species separate from the common ostrich. Cassowaries, the genus Cascarius, and are native to the tropical forest of New Guinea, nearby islands, and northeastern Australia. There are three extant species. The most common of these, the southern cassowary, is the third tallest and second heaviest living bird, smaller only than the ostrich and emu. The emu range covers most of mainland Australia, but the Tasmanian emu and King Island emu subspecies became extinct after the European settlement of Australia in 1788. The bird is sufficiently common for it to be rated as the least common concerned species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature.
Kiwi are by far the smallest living reptiles, which also consists of ostrich, emus, rheas, and cassowaries, and lay the largest egg in relation to their body size of any species of bird in the world. Kiwi are much more closely related to the extinct Malagasy elephant birds than to the moa with which they shared New Zealand. Theory of need. According to Lamarck, organisms evolved because they have to. In addition, he believed that organisms change over generation in response to the change in their environment. Theory of use and disuse. Organisms could change the size or shape of organs by using them or not using them. Theory of acquired traits. According to Lamarck, the acquired traits of an organism that were influenced by the environment can be passed on to its offspring. Adaptation, also called an adaptive trait, is a trait with the current functional role in the life of an organism that is maintained and evolved by means of natural selection. Example of adaptations.
Created using Powtoon.